At GCJ Facility Services, we believe in efficiency and excellence. That's why we use our specialized wet and dry team cleaning methodology to keep your spaces spotless. Let's take a look at how it works. Our team is divided into two groups, the wet team and the dry team. Each has a specific role to ensure maximum cleanliness and efficiency. First up, the wet team. They begin by preparing their supplies and equipment. Their first task, cleaning all the bathrooms. They make sure each bathroom is spotless, restocking supplies, scrubbing surfaces, and mopping the floor. Once a bathroom is clean, they close the door to signal it's ready to use. And of course, they always change the water as needed, never using the same water from the bathrooms elsewhere. Next, they head to the lunchroom, wiping down surfaces, arranging chairs, cleaning the sink, and mopping the floor. Just like before, they close the door when they're done. Then, they move through each area. Exam rooms, offices, labs, the kitchen, and even common areas, wiping down surfaces and mopping. But remember, they never mop before the dry team vacuums. Now let's meet the dry team. Their first job, removing all trash and replacing the liners. They also take care of high-touch areas like the patient waiting area, nurse stations, and front desks. Wiping down tables and arranging chairs to keep things neat, making sure every space is thoroughly clean. Then they vacuum every area, hallways, offices, waiting areas, you name it. Once they're done, it's time for the wet team to mop. Finally, they finish up by mopping the front lobby and all the hallways. And of course, they handle all the trash, making sure everything goes straight to the dumpster. With our wet and dry team method, every space is cleaned with precision and care. At GCJ Facility Services, we take cleanliness to the next level.